Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a iPhone backside. So for this purpose we need one scale and one paper. So we have to draw first of all straight line with this pen and scale. You have to draw a straight line and equal from here as well. You have to do the same. You have to see it's equal and here as well equal. Then you can draw a line. So now what is the important thing? You have to make a straight line downside as well. Here you have to draw it. Okay, little bit difference should be here, and you can draw straight line from here to here, and you have to lift the paper like your scale, and again from here you have to again put the same line. So what you have to do more you have to do here. So more you have to do, you have to make a curves. Like for here you have to meet these points carefully. You have to come down and round. Okay, so here as well you try to make it correct. If not, no problem, we are just in learning process and we are enjoying this video. There is no competition, so don't be afraid. So till here it's all good, and now we have to make one thing here. It's iPhone, like the cameras. So now I will draw here a box like this. Okay, and now downside one line I will draw, same thing as I did outer side, here as well and here as well. So now you have to again meet these points, this, this, this. Okay, nicely done. So now what it's more you have to draw iPhone cameras, one here, one here, and one is here. So you have to fill it. I fill it quickly. So Yupu, till here our iPhone is ready. So now what is missing? It's apple. So now we have to draw an apple here like this, and stop here. Here is one bite, and this is the sign of Apple phone. So our phone back, it's ready, really amazing looking, gorgeous. So now we have to dark these lines so that it look more beautiful. So guys, our iPhone is ready. The back is looking gorgeous, but I will not color it. As you wish, you can color it, but I will not. So Please watch full video always to have fun, and share this video to your friends so that you can together trying and have fun together. So take care until the next video. We meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.